got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
Dear light.
I got chills, then multiply.
So hello everyone, it's Howdy and I'm back for another video and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing, guys? I have something good for you guys today, and I was like, you know what, this is gonna be a good video. So you guys know I'm an investing hairstylist. I told you guys from my previous videos. Are you guys ready? I will show you guys how I post pictures on WEBULL, because I saw this new investor. They were like, oh my god, because they bought Shiba, and they were like, oh, how do I post a picture, how do I post a photo? I was like, wait, you mean, okay, that's, you know, I was like, okay, let's get this. So first I'll show you guys how I do it. I will go to my screen. In order to be able to post pictures or photos on WEBULL, let's screen record this stuff. Let's go to WEBULL. Where are you? WEBULL. Okay, so WEBULL. Okay. Now I will go to Shiba. Okay, Shiba. Now, in order to be able to post pictures on Shiba comment area, I'll go to click on comments. Okay. Now I'm on comments. I will click on, when you go to the bottom, you'll see where they said post. Click on that. Then it brings out this dialog box. And you click on that. Is it like a square there on your right hand side? Now you have your Shiba post, create a post. So I will go to the photo gallery. Click on that. Okay. So now, here you can now say select more photos or keep current selection. I would keep current selection because I already clicked on the photos I wanted. Now I'll click OK. When I click on OK, it will post it there. Okay, you've seen the photo there. Now I'll say let's go or let's effing go. So LFG. Okay, when I click on that, when I type that out, it's always good to write a comment with it. Then say post successfully. So you see, officially, I'm now, you know, having my photo displayed on the comment bar. So if you guys have been wondering, oh my god, how do I put comments in, you know, on WEBULL in the comments section, this is how you do it, okay? And we've done that. So
all the extra is what we do.
Okay, so this is how you do it. And now I can now sign out of here, go back to my home page and say stop. Okay, stop. So if you've ever wondered how do people post photos on WEBULL in the comment section, this is how you do it. It's simple. I hope you guys, you know, this helps, especially the new investors that have been thinking on.
The is getting hot in this sweater dress. Let me turn on the fan real quick.
And my heart is set on you. I better shape up.
Okay guys, let's go to the WEBULL platform and see how we can post photos in the comment section. Okay, I would scroll down, get to WEBULL. Okay, WEBULL is opening. Of course, WEBULL looks cute as always, which I'm here for. And if you guys want to start investing, let me know in the comments below. You'll see it in my description. You click on those links for WEBULL. Once you start investing, you get some hula. I'll get some hula too for referrals. Let's help each other. So now I'll go to Shiba. You guys know I'm deeply invested in Shiba as an investing hairdresser or hairstylist. I prefer hairstylist, but the word whatever they want. Okay, so I'll click on Shiba. And now when I go on Shiba, I will click on the comment section. Click on comments. At the bottom part of your screen, you will see where they said post. Click on post. Okay, click on the where you can type. Click on that, then it will bring out that dialog box. Click on that box that looks, it's not fully covered. Then you click on the photo you want. Select photo, whatever photo you want. I will click on this crypto investor stuff just to give you guys an idea on how to do, you know, the stuff. Then I'll click done for my photo gallery. Then I'll click on that photo once more and say okay. So now it will appear. You see, create post Shiba USD, and now you can see the crypto, right? Investor meme. And now once I've done that, I would say okay, that's right, or yes, you know, LFG. So let's freaking go. And then when I've done that, I'll just say post. Once you say post, it's official. You see, my comment is now established in the comment section, and that is how you are able to get your comments and photos on WEBULL. I hope this helps the new investors. Then I can now do that. So now I can get out of there and just okay. So I hope this helps someone out there that have been figuring out, oh my god, how can I do this, how can I post, because people have been talking about, oh my god, how do I how am I able to put these photos, post, they've bought their Shiba, so that they would like everyone to know, it's like a family, and I'm happy for it. Especially the millionaires, the ones who bought millions shares, the spirit they have very positive. I'm like, this is amazing. The billionaires, I don't know what's wrong with you guys. You guys should be positive like them too. But I love this family that I have on, WEBULL in the investing world. It's amazing compared to the hair industry. Sorry to say, but but that's just the truth. So that's how I was like, you know what, I'm not hiding it from you guys. Come and join us, honey. We are having fun over here. It's true. So yes, that's how you do it. Okay, so new investors, I hope this helps you guys, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Honey, I am happy to answer these questions for you, especially when it comes to investing, because I didn't have any of that, someone to show me the ropes, except I watched a video telling me that I can invest on Cash App with $1, and that's where I started finding my way, peddling. So you can tell that I've gone through a lot of FOMOs and all that stuff, so I get it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below. I love you all so much. And oh my god, I'm just looking at my stuff. Yeah, it's like yeah. It's so cute. It's always there to remind me. Until next time, honey, I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye, guys.
The woman I'm trying to become would draw no satisfaction from this at all. Fortunately, I'm not that woman just yet.
I know that's right. 'Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you never could.